Hello students, I am Sridhar Jalapati and welcome to my YouTube channel Sridhar Jalapati Aptitude Classes. In this video, I have come up with one more good news for engineering students, especially for 2021 pass outs, of course for MCA students as well. Capgemini recently released a notification that they are conducting a pool campus recruitment drive for 2021 batch pass out students, both engineering and MCA. Let us see what is that notification all about. This is the link which I will be providing in the description as well. This is the link to apply. Now if you click the link, you will go to Capgemini website, official website, and here you can see Capgemini pooled campus drive for 2021 batch, both engineering and MCA freshers. The last date for registration is 14th April. You can see that here, and this is something about the company, and there is a video also explaining their products and their growth, all that. You can watch it. This is useful when you appear for interview. Knowing about the company is very important, because sometimes you can expect questions about the company as well. They are into which sector, products, there is a popular question in interview, what do you know about our company? But that is all about after clearing the initial rounds. Anyway, so last date is 14th of April, and there is a button called register now. If you click, the link will be opened. But before that, once again, the last date to register 14th of April. Drives will be conducted till 7th May. They will be giving different slots, several slots. So that will be continued till May 7th of 2021. And eligibility to apply, you can see here. It's something like should be graduated in 2021. So 2021 pass outs candidates, and should have 60% and above in 10th inter, that is 12th, diploma, graduation. If you are from BTech, aggregate of first 7 semester. If you are from MCA, aggregate of 5 semester, that should be 60% and above. Qualification, as I already mentioned, MCA students, BE, BTech, open for only circuit branches. So what are the branches that is eligible for this drive from BTech? IT, Information Technology, Information Science, CSE, Computer Science, Computer Engineering, Electrical, Electronics, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation. Civil and mechanical students are not eligible. Of course, chemical, biotechnology, all that, they are not eligible. This is for only circuit branches and IT, CSE. If you are from ME and MTech, then you must be from above mentioned specialization, that is IT, Information Technology or Information Science, Computer Science or Computers. Must possess excellent English written communication skills, obviously, and must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology, domain and role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the assessment or selection process. You need to remember, last time when I posted about Tech Mahindra notification also, some of the students are saying that I did not get the test link, I did not get the registration ID, all that. They are telling you that in the initial process only they are shortlisting the candidates for the assessment test itself. So in the worst case, if you did not get any information about the test details or registration ID or password, that means you are not shortlisted. Or you can send a mail them, you can send a mail writing that you have applied but you did not get any details. Okay, so selection process will be done in virtual mode, online completely, and candidates will be responsible for arranging the required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. So these are some key points about the test, and as I told you, this is the selection process. The selection process majorly consists 5 rounds. A very different and peculiar selection process compared to all other IT companies. First round, technical assessment, pseudo code. I will be telling you in the next slide how many questions you will get, what is the time limit. So first round is pseudo code, step 1. Step 2, multiple choice questions based on English communication, like grammar, prepositions, fill up the blanks, sentence correction, RC, all that. And then third step is game based aptitude, a variety of aptitude tests. No other company conducts aptitude test in this pattern. except this Capgemini. And then behavioral competency profiling. Now this is something again a special round. And third one, technical interview and HR interview. These are the 5 steps. Sorry, fifth step. So total 5 steps. First one, pseudocode, then English communication test, game-based aptitude test, behavioral competency profiling, and last 5th round, technical and HR interview. But here, if you see, they have clearly mentioned that this behavioral 4th round is only for understanding the innate profile of the candidate and is not filtration step. So from this 4th round, from this you will not be eliminated or you will not be selected. This is not a filtration step. This is just to assess your innate profile based on the questions that you will be answering. I will be telling you what is that all about, right? And then if you click the button register, sorry, now you will see a new page opening here. Capgemini invites you to Superset to apply for its Capgemini Engineering MCA Batch 2021 Pooled Campus position. Now complete the registration and apply. After registration, you should apply for the job role also. Start registering. Then you will see filling your personal details. First, you need to build your profile, personal details, and then primary email ID, confirm email address, mobile number, gender, date of birth, all that information. Then password, you can fix your password. And then now if I click the button next, it will not go because I have not filled any column. So this is the process which you need to fill. After applying, after registration process, you need to apply for the job role. That option you will see in the next page, right? So this is about the Capgemini recruitment process. As I told you, I'll be sharing the link with you guys in the description, right? This link, if you click the link, that page will be open and there you can fill your details. This is strictly for 2021 pass out students. And let's see what is that exam consists, first round consists. As we have already seen, first round pseudocode, from which you can expect 25 questions, 10 of them from data structures, remaining 15 questions in algorithms. This is where pseudocode questions will be asked. In these 15 questions which are from algorithms, this is where pseudocode questions will be asked. So total 25, 10 from DS data structures, 15 from pseudocoding, 25 questions, 25 minutes time. Second round, English, completely grammar to test your English communication skills. So 30 questions, 30 minutes altogether, like as I told you, sentence correction, preposition, fill up the blanks, reading comprehension, all that grammar part, basics of English. And next round is game-based aptitude, variety round here, game-based aptitude. Now in this game-based aptitude, there will be 4 different games. I can say 4 different sections. Each game has separate time. First game is deductive logical thinking. You will be given with 6 minutes. Whatever the number of questions that you can ask, you can answer, you can do that in 6 minutes. Then inductive logical thinking, again 6 minutes time. Whatever the number of questions that you can answer in that 6 minutes, that is there. Grid challenge, third game, 9 minutes time. And finally motion challenge, 6 minutes time. Now what are these game based questions actually? These are not as difficult as they are sounding. If you look at the names, they are very critical to understand, but the questions are not as difficult as they are sounding. I will be making a separate video, my next video, explaining these pseudocode questions. A separate video, I will be making 2 videos, one for deductive and grid challenge, and the second video for inductive and motion challenge, explaining 2 games in each video. I am planning to make 2 videos to help you in preparing for this Capgemini pseudocode, this game-based aptitude round. To help you in preparing for this game-based aptitude round, for these 4 games, I am making 2 videos. And the next section, as I said, behavioral and personality psychometric. You will be getting 100 questions, no time limit. As I said, as they have mentioned, this is just to assess your personality. This will not come into picture in case of filtration, that is either selection or rejection. Then based on the colleges with what the association Capgemini has, for few colleges, students from few colleges, they are offering 6.5 lakh package role from the same exam and asking an extra section called coding, where you will be asked 2 questions, 45 minutes time. But this is only for 6.5 lakh package per annum role, not for a regular one. The regular one is about 3.2 lakh. I'm not sure exactly. You can find out from the website Capgemini, as I will be providing the link in the description. So this is the first round, and as I said, I will be making 2 videos for game based aptitude. And the next one is, now few things that you need to remember when you take the Capgemini test is, very important thing. I've seen last time also when I've uploaded Tech Mahindra off campus drive, I got very good response. It benefited very good number of students in taking the exam, in clearing the exam. Of course, results not yet announced, and students already started asking me when they will announce the results. How would I know? It is their decision. Whenever they reveal, you will be getting the mail straight away. We don't get. Don't think that I'm rude. I'm just telling you, apply common sense. You will get the mail regarding the details, whether you have cleared the test or not. So here also, few things that you need to remember while taking the test. There is no negative marking in the test. One good news, no negative marking, right? Each round is a stage by stage elimination. Now this is something what you need to understand. Listen carefully. There are 5 rounds, right? First one pseudo coding, second English test, third game based, fourth behavioral test, fifth is again coding. Each is a stage by stage elimination process. What do you mean by that? If you fail in the first round pseudo code, then there itself your selection process ends, right? So every round you have to clear to move to the next one. For example, pseudo coding and English that I have already mentioned. You need to clear the pseudo coding round to get into English, and so on. You need to clear first round and second round to get into third, and you need to clear first, second, third to get into fourth, and so on. It's stage by stage elimination process. And the next important thing is, remember, pseudo coding in English had to be taken with the webcam on, because again most of the students are asking, do we need to on the webcam, do we need to connect the audio, all those they will be mentioning in the instructions. You just have to read them with patience. So for pseudo coding and English round, that is for the first 2 rounds, webcam on, while game based and personality psychometric did not need a webcam to be on. First 2 rounds need webcam, third round, fourth round do not need any webcam. The assessment could be either attempted via laptops, personal computers, or mobile. But it is always better to use desktops, computers, or laptops. Mobile is not always safe. Tool used to conduct this assessment via laptop or PC is SAB. Superset could also be used. All these instructions you can read. How to install that app and all those things. Those who are taking the exam via mobile, the application is CoCube's assessment app. Those who are taking via mobile, it is CoCube's assessment app. You can then enter your login credentials that will be sent to your mail ID, and then access the assessment test. After the registration and applying for the job role, you will get credentials, login credentials. Those you need to enter while taking the test. You will get those credentials to the given mail ID. So these are some key points what you need to remember when it comes to Capgemini, this 2021 pooled campus drive. Now, as I said, when it comes to that game based aptitude, 4 sections: deductive logical thinking 6 minutes, inductive logical thinking 6 minutes, grid challenge 9 minutes, motion challenge 6 minutes. Total 27 minutes of time is given for this game based aptitude, and there is no restriction on number of questions. How many you can answer in 6 minutes, those will be there. Questions are, there are too many questions. You just have to pick up how many you can answer in that 6 minutes time. So it is all about test for your speed with accuracy. Speed with accuracy. Right? As I already told you, these are not as difficult as they appear, but yes, these are all fresh. Normally, when it comes to aptitude, we are ready with those traditional topics like, percentages, time and work, time and distance, permutations, combinations, probability, numbers, HCF, LCM, and then when it comes to reasoning, blood relations, clocks, calendars, number series, direction sense, coding, decoding, all those Venn diagrams, those are traditional aptitude topics. But here, these are just, in a different manner. As I told you, don't worry, I'm making 2 videos to help you in preparing for this game based aptitude, right? So this is about the Capgemini 2021 pooled campus notification details. As I said, I'll be providing the link in the description. Apply soon. Last date is 14th of April. Do not forget, 14th April is last date. But don't wait till the last day. The servers may get stuck. Apply now, the moment you know about this information. And wish you all the best. If you like this, like the video, share it with all the 2021 pass outs, BTech and MCA, so that you will be helping them in applying for this job role. Once again, wish you all the best, and then do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet.